Hey, sunshine lovers, are you ready to take your sun protection game to the next level? Say hello to Zinc Oxide, the superhero of sunscreen. As we delve into the realm of skincare, Zinc Oxide has emerged as a standout player. Its popularity isn't just a trend, it's become a critical component in daily skincare routines. Offering broad-spectrum protection, Zinc Oxide shields against both UVA and UVB rays, fortifying your skin against the sun's relentless energy. So why is Zinc Oxide considered a superhero in the world of sunscreens? Let's find out. First off, what exactly is zinc oxide, and how does it shield us from those pesky UV rays? Well, zinc oxide is not just any ordinary compound, it's a mineral-based agent derived from zinc, a natural element found abundantly on Earth. When processed into a fine white powder, zinc oxide becomes a powerhouse in sun protection, capable of scattering, reflecting, and absorbing sunlight. Here's where it gets interesting. Zinc oxide is known for its broad-spectrum capabilities. This means it effectively blocks both UVA and UVB rays. UVA rays are the ones that penetrate deep into the skin, leading to aging and long-term damage, while UVB rays are responsible for sunburns. By forming a protective layer on the surface of your skin, zinc oxide acts like a mirror reflecting the sun's harmful rays away from your body. So it's clear, zinc oxide forms a protective barrier that keeps harmful UV rays at bay. But there's more to this story. Now you might wonder, how does zinc oxide stack up against other types of sunscreens? Let's dive into the world of sun protection and compare. Traditional sunscreens often use chemical filters. These chemicals like oxybenzone or avobenzone absorb UV radiation through their chemical bonds. As they absorb UV light, the chemicals undergo a transformation to dissipate the energy as heat, which can sometimes cause skin irritation or discomfort. Enter zinc oxide, a mineral-based sunscreen. Unlike its chemical counterparts, zinc oxide acts like a mirror on the skin's surface. It reflects and scatters harmful UV rays away from the skin rather than absorbing them. This means it starts protecting immediately upon application, no waiting required. Moreover, for those with sensitive skin, zinc oxide is a blessing. It's gentle and doesn't cause the skin irritation often associated with chemical sunscreens. It sits on the surface, so it doesn't penetrate the skin and cause discomfort. This makes it an ideal choice for all ages, including babies and those with sensitive or acne-prone skin. But the benefits extend beyond just personal health. Zinc oxide is also environmentally friendly. It's reef-safe, which means it doesn't contribute to coral bleaching, a significant issue with some chemical sunscreens that can harm marine ecosystems. With such compelling benefits, it's no wonder many are making the switch to zinc oxide. Whether you're a beachgoer, a mountain hiker, or just enjoying a sunny day in the park, zinc oxide provides effective, immediate, and safe sun protection, all while being kind to our planet. So, isn't it time to reflect on your sunscreen choice? With zinc oxide, you're not just protecting your skin, you're taking a stand for a healthier environment. It's a win-win for your skin and the planet. With such compelling benefits, it's no wonder many are making the switch to zinc oxide. Don't just take our word for it. Hear what real users have to say about their switch to zinc oxide sunscreen. Meet Emily from Miami, a lifelong beachgoer who used to battle with sunburns every summer. After switching to zinc oxide sunscreen, Emily shares, "The difference is night and day. My skin has never felt this healthy after a day at the beach. No more redness or peeling, just smooth, protected skin. And the best part? I feel good knowing I'm not harming the ocean." Then there's James from Colorado, an avid hiker and outdoor enthusiast. "I've tried various sunscreens over the years," James explains, "but nothing beats zinc oxide for long-lasting protection. Whether I'm scaling a peak or just enjoying a picnic, I trust zinc oxide to keep me covered." In San Francisco, Sarah, a mother of two, praises zinc oxide for its gentle formula. "My daughter has very sensitive skin and most sunscreens cause her irritation. Since we switched to zinc oxide, she can finally enjoy the outdoors without any worries. It's gentle, effective, and I love that it's safe for the environment too." And let's not forget Tom in Hawaii, who is passionate about marine life. "Using a reef-safe sunscreen like zinc oxide means I can surf and protect the reefs at the same time. It's a win-win for everyone." Inspiring, isn't it? Real stories from real people who trust zinc oxide to protect their skin. Wonder how zinc oxide fits into an active outdoor lifestyle? Let's see it in action. Picture this. It's a blazing hot day and you're at the beach, the sun beating down mercilessly. You reach for your trusty zinc oxide sunscreen. As you slather it on, you're not just applying a layer of cream, you're arming your skin with a powerful defender. This isn't just any sunscreen, it's your personal guard against the sun's relentless rays. Now, let's take a hike, quite literally. You're trekking up a rugged mountain path, the sun a constant companion on this journey. With every step, sweat beads on your brow, but your zinc oxide sunscreen stays right where it needs to be. Its remarkable water-resistant properties mean that despite the sweat, you remain shielded from both UVA and UVB rays. It's as tenacious as you are, refusing to budge, ensuring that your skin is protected throughout your ascent and beyond. Switch scenes to a family enjoying a picnic in the park on a sunny day. Kids are running around playing frisbee under the clear blue sky. Here too, zinc oxide sunscreen is a silent hero. It's gentle enough for the sensitive skin of children and effective enough to keep the entire family safe from sunburn and skin damage. Next, imagine you're playing volleyball on the beach. The game is intense, and the players are diving, jumping, and sweating. Zinc oxide sunscreen doesn't just sit this one out. It's in every serve, every spike, every save, protecting your skin as effectively as it did when you first applied it. This is because zinc oxide doesn't dissolve in sweat or wash away easily in water. It's there for the long haul. Finally, think about those who love nothing more than a good run, even on the brightest days. Zinc oxide is their constant companion, never compromising on protection, no matter how long the run or how high the UV index. Zinc oxide stands up to the challenge, keeping your skin safe no matter your adventure. Whether it's a day at the beach, a mountain to conquer, or any outdoor activity under the sun, zinc oxide has got your back, reflecting away harmful rays and keeping your adventures sun-safe and spectacular. So, go ahead, embrace the outdoors with confidence, knowing zinc oxide is in action. Now, isn't that something worth considering for your next sunscreen choice? Convinced about zinc oxide yet? Here's how you can make the switch smoothly. When stepping into the realm of zinc oxide sunscreens, the variety might dazzle you, but fear not. The first thing to consider is the SPF, or sun protection factor. Look for a sunscreen that offers an SPF of at least 30. This will provide about 97% protection against the sun's rays, ensuring that you're well shielded during those sunny escapades. Next, let's talk texture. Zinc oxide sunscreens come in a range of formulations. Creams for those who don't mind a richer feel, lotions for a smoother application, and even sticks for easy, mess-free touch-ups. There's truly a type for every preference. If you've got sensitive skin, lean towards a fragrance-free and hypoallergenic formula. Remember, it's all about what feels good on your skin. Now, on to the application, arguably the most crucial step. Apply a generous layer to all exposed skin, and do it 15 minutes before you head outdoors. This gives the sunscreen enough time to create that protective barrier. Don't forget areas like your ears, the back of your neck, and your hands. And here's a pro tip. Reapply every 2 hours or immediately after swimming or sweating. Consistency is key to keeping those UV rays at bay. Switching to zinc oxide sunscreen is simple, and your skin will thank you for it. With these pointers, you're all set to embrace this superhero sunscreen and enjoy the sunshine worry-free. Remember, your skin's health is worth that little extra effort. Happy sunblocking! Ready to join the zinc oxide revolution and #protect your glow? Let's face it, everyone wants to enjoy the sun, but nobody wants the unwelcome side effects of too much sun exposure. That's where zinc oxide steps in, not just as a sunscreen, but as a full-on revolution in skin protection. Imagine a sun shield that not only protects, but also cares for your skin and the environment. That's zinc oxide for you. Zinc oxide sunscreen isn't just another item in your beach bag. It's a powerful ally against the sun's harmful UV rays. It works by forming a protective barrier on the surface of your skin, reflecting and scattering sunlight away. Unlike many chemical sunscreens that absorb UV light, zinc oxide prevents these rays from even penetrating your skin. This means more protection and less irritation for sensitive skin types. But the benefits of zinc oxide go beyond just personal health. It's also a friend to our oceans. Being a mineral-based sunscreen, zinc oxide is reef-safe. This means it doesn't contain chemicals like oxybenzone and octinoxate, which can cause coral bleaching. When you choose zinc oxide, you're not only protecting yourself, but also the marine life and ecosystems that make our summers at the beach so enjoyable. Now, how can you get involved in this sun-safe revolution? It's simple. Start by checking out the links in the description below to find a selection of top-rated zinc oxide sunscreens. Whether you're planning a day at the beach, a hike, or just a stroll around town, there's a zinc oxide product that's perfect for your needs. Don't forget to share your sun-safe adventures with us using the hashtag #ZincOxidePower. We love seeing how you all stay protected and enjoy the sun responsibly. Your stories inspire more people to make the switch and join this glowing movement. Don't wait until it's too late. Embrace the power of zinc oxide and enjoy sun-safe adventures all year round. #ZincOxidePower. Join us and let's revolutionize the way we protect our skin and our planet one sunny day at a time. Happy sun blocking, folks!